Yeah, so spiritual bypass is using spiritual principles and practices in order to get around dealing with specific uncomfortabilities within oneself, within society, to get around or bypass social justice issues. And, here's a good example of spiritual bypass is, all we really need is to have more metta and everything will be right in the world. So let me just do my metta practice and I'm not going to worry about anything else. And, that might be great. I agree. We definitely could use more metta in the world. We could use a lot more loving kindness. But the truth of the matter is we also need people who are committed to working and living in the world to bring about change and the way that change happens, whether it's socially, educationally, environmentally, politically, economically, you name it. We need people who have a grounding in metta